Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate email encryption with Proton Mail Bridge, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with email encryption using Proton Mail Bridge, begin by downloading the Proton Mail Bridge application from the official Proton Mail website. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file and open it. Follow the prompts to install the application on your computer. After the installation is finished, launch Proton Mail Bridge from your Applications folder. You will be prompted to log in to your Proton Mail account. Enter your email address and password, then click on the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the instructions to complete the login process. Once logged in, Proton Mail Bridge will generate a dedicated SMTP and IMAP settings. Take note of these settings as you will need them to configure your email client. Next, open your preferred email client, such as Outlook, Thunderbird, or Apple Mail. Navigate to the account settings within your email client. Select the option to add a new email account. When prompted, choose the option for a manual setup. Input the SMTP and IMAP settings provided by Proton Mail Bridge. Be sure to enter your Proton Mail email address as the username. For the incoming server settings, use the given IMAP server details. For the outgoing server settings, input the SMTP server details. Enter your Proton Mail password when prompted. Next, ensure the connection security settings match those recommended by Proton Mail Bridge. These settings usually include using SSL/TLS for secure connections. After configuring the settings, save the account details in your email client. Now, you can send and receive emails through your Proton Mail account with encryption enabled. Test the setup by sending a test email to another encrypted email address. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, check that the emails send and receive without any issues. Congratulations, you have successfully activated email encryption with Proton Mail Bridge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.